Welcome to my science experiment series. Now we're going to do science experiment number 25, which is smoggy. For that, we need paper, some water, a jar, matchsticks, foil paper and ice cubes. But we need to make the jar with a little bit of water, then add the fire to the paper, then throw it in the jar, then put the foil paper over the jar and then put the ice cubes over the foil paper. So then it is told that inside the jar to look like that there is a lot of smoke. Now let's implement the experiment. Now we have done what we needed to do. Now let's see. It looks like that there's a lot of smoke inside the jar. Bye. Stay tuned for my next experiments.